All right, so you're gonna get your cinnamon rolls right there out of the package, and then go ahead and just set that little icing container to the side. You might want it, you might not, it's up to you, but whatever, just put that to the side either way. Then you're gonna grab your cinnamon rolls here. We're gonna start to cut them up. So you're just gonna chop them into smaller pieces as they fall right here into your skillet, or maybe even into your like a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Whatever you wanna use or have around the house is just fine. I really do love cooking with my skillet, so whenever I have the opportunity, I like to kind of change it up and use it. Plus, did you know that all of that iron, some of it gets absorbed into the food, and it is so good for you, right? So that's really the gist of the iron skillet. I don't know, does it do anything else besides cook delicious food? When is it just old school? I don't know. Tell me more about the iron skillet. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna come through here and I'm gonna take these cinnamon rolls, cut them up into pieces as they fall right here inside. This easy breakfast treat is in for a win. So we have all of our cinnamon rolls in there, and now look at this. I have some raspberry pie filling. I have 2 whole cans here because I wanna really mix this up. You don't need to use 2 cans. Maybe you use 1 if you want it to be a little bit on the drier side, but my rule of thumb is kind of using 1 can per roll of biscuit. So here I have 2 rolls of the cinnamon rolls, and then I have 2 cans of the raspberry filling, and you can see that I'm just gonna fold it in. And I know sometimes at first the pie filling looks like it's a lot, but as that dough rises, it will definitely absorb some of that raspberry. But you could just play it by you go, you know, you can just kind of fill it up and see what you like, but I definitely like to go with 2. So this is what 2 will give you. I'm gonna spread this out now all over the top. Look at all of that tasty raspberry goodness. Oh, we are in for a treat today. It's time to deluxify, guys. We have a cup of some heavy whipping cream, and we are gonna pour that right over top. Check it out, look at how all that whipping cream is just getting in to those crevices of the biscuits and the raspberry pie filling. Oh, this can be so satisfying. You know, I am a super big fan of bread pudding, and raspberry is definitely my favorite one. Let me know if you have a favorite one. Now you can see I'm just kind of coating that on top. I'm actually not gonna use the entire cup, so it looks like I used 3/4 cup. Once again, you can kind of totally play it out, and it will depend on what type of container you're using, if you're using the baking dish or you're using the skillet. Enough of that, let's pop this in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes. You're gonna love it. Oh my goodness, are you even ready for this? Look at all of that raspberry filling in with that heavy whipping cream. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is like bread pudding next level right here. Holy cow, this smells like so good. Now remember that icing that we set aside? We're just gonna pour that right on top. Now, if you don't wanna do this, you don't have to, but I'm just gonna give it a go. I'm gonna start pouring it right over top like that. Look at that icing just dripping down in there. That looks so good. Look at that, babe. Oh my gosh, are you seeing that? Are you getting all of that icing as it's dripping into all of those crevices? Wow, that looks amazing.
Like an icing river.
I don't really know how I'm gonna get it out. I think I maxed out my space here, but I'm just gonna go for it, you know, because what's life without going for it, right? Oh my gosh. All right, nice and hot still it is. Look at all of that with the raspberry, the cream. Ooh. You guys, I don't have any ice cream, but if I did, that would be so good too. I just know it. I'm all out of forks today, so I've just changed to spoons, right? And all of this goodness here, all of these treats, you guys, we are steaming here, but I'm gonna give it a little bit of the mom blow here. Oh my gosh, the raspberry I haven't had raspberry in a while. It's not always my #1 choice that I pick. I almost forget about it, but man, is it tasty. Wow, it is so good. With these cinnamon rolls. That is it, you guys. 3 ingredients: cinnamon rolls, that raspberry pie filling, and a little bit of heavy whipping cream. You are gonna knock your socks off with this one. Let me know if you're gonna switch anything up. Maybe try a different pie filling. I don't know. Give me all your thoughts, you guys, in the comments. We'll see you later. Enjoy.